Well, welcome back to the channel, viewers. Tony from Greens Adventures. What we're going to do now at Salsom Beach, this is another room we're staying in. We've never stayed in this one before. Layout. We'll just take you around now and I'll show you what the room's like and what Salsom Beach has to offer on this style room. Right, as you walk in, you're walking through the door, you've got your twin beds there, two single beds pushed together, makes a double. You've got a rotating fan, and that, believe it or not, that does give quite a bit of cool air blowing out that. As you can see the lamp in the background moving. Your ample sockets, bedside sockets. You've got wardrobes, like a wardrobe space with loads, or more than enough hangers for a family, and you got some drawers down at the bottom there. I'll take you into the bathroom. Bathroom's a pretty spacious bathroom actually, very clean, very tidy. You got a hairdryer there, loads of towels. You've actually, this one you've not got a shower cubicle as such. You've got like a walk-in, a shower tray. Loads of fresh towels, clean towels. Shower's very clean, and the shower curtain's very clean as well. I'll just take you out into the main living area, the front. Full size mirror. Obviously, we've actually made a mark on this now, so we've unpacked all our cases, so you have to excuse the mess. It's not a room we're going to be staying in all week. We'll be out, so this will just be for sleeping in at night. Got a pull down bed there. There's another one that'll be Ethan's, so that's comfy. So you've got fridge freezer, which is very, very clean. I think it must be new, that. Loads of cupboard space, pots in there. A fully stocked drawer with knives, forks and everything you need. Not that you're going to cook in here. A microwave, a halogen there, and what I did bring for some people is some of the Green Adventures merchandise. Anyway, we're going to go outside towards the balcony now. That's Ethan just coming in. TV, pretty large, I think it's about 42-inch TV that. Air conditioning, oh that's heaven that. I could sit here all day underneath that. Right, we'll go outside to the balcony, to the terrace. Now that's the Salsom Beach. The pool's up there where those palm trees are. That's the pool area, and as you can see, we've got a cracking view. Got a cracking view we have here. Full sea view, really nice. And we've got a nice breeze as well. You've got area there for drying your towels when you come back from the pool. You've got a seating area there, but sitting outside. Well, apart from that, that's a room tour of Salsom Beach. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.